Welcome wanderers and nature enthusiasts to a virtual escape into the captivating beauty of Vietnam. Today, we invite you to join us on a cinematic journey where lush landscapes, cultural richness, and the sheer magnificence of nature converge into an awe-inspiring symphony. Vietnam, a tapestry of natural wonders, unveils a breathtaking spectacle for those who seek the beauty of the great outdoors. From the mist-shrouded mountains of Sapa to the tranquil waters of Ha Long Bay, nature in Vietnam is a harmonious blend of diverse landscapes. The emerald green rice terraces of Mu Cang Chai cascade down the hills, reflecting the timeless connection between the Vietnamese people and the land. Dense, verdant jungles in places like Cuc Phuong National Park harbor an incredible array of flora and fauna, inviting exploration and discovery. The Mekong Delta, a labyrinth of waterways, introduces a different facet of Vietnam's natural charm. Here, life pulses through the rivers and floating markets, showcasing the symbiotic relationship between the people and the water. Phong Nha Bang National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasts a mesmerizing collection of caves and karst landscapes, unveiling the mysterious allure of the underground world. In every corner, from the vibrant chaos of bustling cities to the serene tranquility of remote villages, Vietnam's nature is a constant companion, weaving its magic through the fabric of everyday life. Join us as we delve into the heart of Vietnam's natural wonders, where each moment is a celebration of the Earth's beauty in its purest form.